Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys, if you'd seen in my last video talking about mental health and mental health hacks, essential oils for mental health, if you guys got all the way in with me, you notice that I switched out the end scene and redid the essential oil part. So basically what's going on is that one of the companies that I get essential oils from, that I use essential oils, there has been some compliance issues with YouTube videos, so basically you have to speak proper compliance language, and you have to promote essential oil properties in a proper terminology. So you can't be off the cuff and diagnose or recommend things for certain ailments or conditions. It's just part of being part of that business, and you have to be compliant when you talk about a product that you sell to people. So with that said, not that I have actively sold anything or am actively building a business with them or anything like that. I just purely, the spot that I'm in, I place an order and I make money off of that order. So that is considered building business and making a profit, all that kind of stuff. So I have to be compliant with the way that I express the essential oils and talk about them, which for the most part I have been. Probably the last year, the first year of my YouTube channel, I wasn't really overly compliant. I didn't really know enough about it, and I didn't really understand what compliance was until I got in trouble with them and I needed to tweak some things and take some videos down. So that's just part of what happens online when you talk about a certain brand or a product and you're basically employed by that company, essentially. So that is why my video swapped out scenes at the end of the last one, and that is why some things will start to change on my channel. I've started to pull away from promoting that brand specifically because I want to have my own opinions and my own choices, and I can speak off the cuff about anything that I want, as long as I don't mention their name in it, essentially. So that is kind of the plan. I started to do this about a year ago, and I've probably not been as compliant as I should have been, even though I thought I was being compliant. So there was another complaint of compliance. So that is kind of jolted and shifted my mindset with my YouTube channel, that at the end of the day, I don't want to be accountable or tied to anybody, and I want to speak my truth and my opinions, and I'm not putting any company's name attached to that because this is the Shar way and this is my channel. And I will start to shift that language, and if I do promote a company's product, I will follow compliance procedure. But going forward, some things might change where you won't see any specifics to the brand of essential oil that I am using. It will be a broad spectrum of essential oils and uses and how to use them, that kind of stuff. So I figured I would share this with you guys because things will kind of shift, and nothing too crazy, but that is kind of the direction that this has jolted me into being, because all I'm trying to do is share an amazing product that I love and think is absolutely wonderful, but I'm going to stray away from that a little bit and alter my delivery of my videos so that there is no compliance issues. So that's essentially what's going on. That is the basics of it. Nothing too crazy or too exciting, but I'm just going to tweak some things. So if you guys see some changes on my channel, then that is why. And if you guys have any tips or tricks or ideas, video ideas you want to see, anything that you guys want to be seeing on the channel, then I want you guys to comment below and let me know, because I love making videos that help you guys, and I want to completely help you change your life and grow and become the amazing person that you already are, but you want to improve that person. So I want to help you grow that person, if that makes sense. So now I'm just rambling, but that is the intention and the idea. So comment below, you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you're loving, what you're not loving, all that stuff. And I hope you guys are enjoying this little blurb about what's going on. This is kind of an update, I guess you could say. But give me a thumbs up, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.